If you love warm, golden bagels with the perfect crunch, choosing the right toaster is essential. The best toaster for bagels delivers even heating, wide slots, and a bagel setting that toasts the cut side while warming the outside. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Foyoconven Touchscreen Toaster. The Foyoconven touchscreen toaster is designed for those who want speed, precision, and style in their morning routine. Its powerful 1400W heating system delivers golden toast in about 90 seconds, making it ideal for busy mornings when every minute counts. The stainless steel construction ensures even browning from edge to center, giving you consistent results whether you're toasting bread, bagels, or pastries. The dual 1.5-inch extra-wide slots easily fit 4 standard slices or 2 large items like bagels or thick Texas toast without squashing. A standout feature is the Smart Memory function, which lets you save your favorite setting, like Bagel Mode plus Level 4, and recall it with a single tap, eliminating the need to fiddle with dials. The Smart Touch Pro control panel offers 6 precision shade levels and 5 presets, including dedicated modes for bagels, waffles, pastries, bread, and muffins, along with quick defrost and reheat options. Energy-saving intelligence detects when only one slot is in use, helping conserve electricity for smaller batches. Cleaning is simple thanks to the smooth stainless steel exterior and a full-width slide-out crumb tray. Overall, this toaster blends high-tech convenience with everyday practicality, making it a great choice for households that value efficiency, versatility, and modern design, especially for those who enjoy perfectly toasted bagels. Number 2. Foyoconven Single Slot Toaster. The Foyoconven Single Slot Toaster is a compact yet feature-rich option that brings a modern twist to your toasting experience. Its large, vibrant color LCD display and intuitive touchscreen interface make selecting bread type and toasting level effortless. The built-in countdown timer keeps you informed, allowing you to multitask without worrying about over-toasting. Powered by a 900W heating system, this stainless steel toaster delivers consistent, even results with every use, whether you're preparing a quick snack or a hearty breakfast. The one-slice toasting mode ensures even heat distribution for single servings, conserving energy without sacrificing performance. A memory function allows you to store your preferred bread type and shade setting, so you can enjoy perfect results at the touch of a button. The wide 1.5-inch slots can handle everything from standard bread slices to bagels, waffles, muffins, and pastries. With 6 adjustable shade levels, you can customize each batch to your liking, from lightly toasted to deep golden brown. Additional functions like defrost, cancel, and reheat make this toaster even more versatile. Combining sleek looks, smart technology, and energy-efficient operation, the Foyoconven Single Slot Toaster is a great fit for individuals or small households who want precision and convenience in a compact design. Perfect for bagel lovers and everyday breakfast needs.
Number 3. Whall Wide Slot Toaster. The Whall Wide Slot Toaster combines modern technology with versatility, making it an excellent choice for anyone who enjoys a variety of breads and toasting styles. The intuitive touchscreen interface lets you select bread type and shade setting with a simple tap, while the digital timer display eliminates guesswork by showing the exact remaining toasting time. With 6 bread type options and 6 shade levels, you can achieve your preferred results, whether you're toasting sliced bread, bagels, or artisan loaves. The extra-wide slots can easily accommodate thicker bread varieties, ensuring even heating without crushing. The bagel mode toasts the cut side while warming the other, ensuring perfect texture and flavor. Its durable stainless steel body is both stylish and easy to clean, while 2 slide-out crumb trays make maintenance quick and mess-free. Whether you're making bagels for the family, reheating waffles, or defrosting frozen bread, this toaster offers reliable results every time. With its combination of high capacity, customizable settings, and dedicated bagel function, the Whall Wide Slot Toaster stands out as a versatile and practical appliance for households that need both speed and variety in their morning routine.
Number 4. Ramjoy Waffle Toaster. The Ramjoy Waffle Toaster offers both capacity and flexibility, making it perfect for busy households and weekend brunch lovers.
With 4 extra wide slots measuring 1.45 inches by 5.43 inches, this black stainless steel toaster accommodates everything from standard bread slices to thick bagels and waffles. Dual independent controls allow you to toast different items at different settings simultaneously. The bagel mode toasts the cut side while warming the other, ensuring perfect texture and flavor. Its durable stainless steel body is both stylish and easy to clean, while 2 slide-out crumb trays make maintenance quick and mess-free. Whether you're making bagels for the family, reheating waffles, or defrosting frozen bread, this toaster offers reliable results every time. With its combination of high capacity, customizable settings, and dedicated bagel function, the Ramjoy waffle toaster stands out as a versatile and practical appliance for households that need both speed and variety in their morning routine.
Number 5. Kenmore Bagel Toaster. The Kenmore Bagel Toaster blends efficiency, convenience, and style in a 4-slice design that's perfect for daily use. Its energy-saving front slot-only mode lets you toast a single slice without heating all slots, making it an eco-friendly choice for small servings. Cord management is another thoughtful touch. The retractable cord keeps your countertop tidy when the toaster isn't in use. The brushed stainless steel exterior stays cool to the touch and resists fingerprints, while its smooth top surface prevents crumbs from collecting, making cleaning easier. Stylish yet practical, this toaster offers reliable performance and thoughtful features that make it stand out. Whether you're toasting a single bagel for yourself or preparing breakfast for the family, the Kenmore Bagel Toaster provides the precision, safety, and convenience you need to start your mornings right.